Hey, welcome back to the channel. I haven't put a video up for a couple of weeks. I've been a little bit busy. I'm actually driving home from a job, a little repair job. You know, I done a video a month ago, actually got some good views, so I thought I'd do a similar video. Now you tell me what you think of this. I charged £300 for this job. I spent 35 quid on materials. I was there for about 3 hours. It took a little bit longer than I thought, because just all repair jobs are just a little bit tricky, aren't they? Also, the muck of the original wall is basically like white, and it's old, so it's more grey. But then I didn't want to buy a grey pointing mix or a white pointing mix because it's sort of somewhere in the middle. So what I decided to do is a 3-in-1 mix. So I think over the course of a few weeks that will dry out to a similar colour. Yeah, tell me what you think. £300, little repair job, happy days. Let me know in the comment section, is that a good price? Is it a good brick match? I think the bricks are exactly the same somehow, because the wall's fairly old. And also, it was sort of like weatherstruck, but it wasn't proper weatherstruck, but it was weatherstruck. I ain't done weatherstruck in years, so I've done my best. But you know, let me know. Also, like the channel, give the video a like, and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, DJ run that. Here we go, here's a little tip. Got a repair job, rather than set your mixer up, get your whisk out. So it's sort of weatherstruck, sort of not weatherstruck. I pointed it in, and I'm going to go over it with this. We've just seen better days. Boom! Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. I think it looks alright. Yeah, give me a comment. All comments are welcome.